Move the anchor point using the anchor point tool. Turn the layer 3D. Bring up the rotation, pressing the R key. Change the X rotation to 90. Move over 15 frames. Change the rotation to -55. Move over 10 frames. Change the rotation to 50. Move over 5 frames. Change the rotation to -20. Move over another 5 frames. Rotation to 10. Move over 3 frames. Rotation to 0. Select the keyframes, F9 to easy ease, head into the graph editor, edit the speed graph as shown. You can now duplicate the layer and change the text however you would like. Subscribe for more tutorials.